Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jitendra Tripathi. Student, in previous class we are discussing about the periodic property atomic radii. In that lecture we are discussing periodic trend in period or in group, but one question in that lecture arises that atomic radii is the not exact measurement of for an element. So how will you calculate the radii of these elements? So here four type of radii are also discussing, that is covalent radii. Covalent radii. Covalent radii is measurement of the radii due to overlapping of any two elements, like or dislike element. So internuclear distance is that. This is the internuclear distance for overlapping of these elements. Mean of this internuclear distance is known as covalent radii. Is the covalent radii. See here, mean of the or average of the internuclear distance of two elements which are covalent overlapped is known as covalent radii. It's okay. Now second one is the van der Waals radii. Van der Waals radii. Here van der Waals radii. Van der Waals radii measure in gaseous molecule like hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine. These are the gaseous molecule. Just take an example for chlorine. This is the one chlorine molecule. This one is the another chlorine molecule. So internuclear distance. This mean is known as covalent radii. Covalent radii. This one is also covalent radii. Am I right? Covalent radii. But we know about the van der Waals radii. Yes, two nearest gaseous molecule having neighboring atom. These are the neighboring atom. So internuclear distance. See here. Internuclear distance, average of internuclear distance of two neighboring atom for a gaseous molecule is known as van der Waals radii. This is the van der Waals radii. Mean of the internuclear distance of two neighboring atom of closest molecule to closest gaseous molecule is known as van der Waals radii. Now third one is the metallic radii. Metallic radii, two closest atom In metal, there are two closest atoms. Internuclear molecular space is a minimum for metals. So here internuclear distance is this one. So this is the metallic radii. Metallic radii. So what is the definition? Average of internuclear distance of two closest atom to nearest atom in metal is known as metallic radii. Now fourth one is the ionic radii. Ionic radii. Here there are two types of ionic radii. One is cationic radii. Cationic radii, radius of the cation, and second one is the anionic radii. This is the anion radius. See here. Sodium is 11, that is 281. How will you form the cation of this? By removing one electron from outermost cell, we have cat sodium plus is 28. For this one, nucleus, first cell, second cell and third cell. So this one is atomic radii. But for cation radii, nucleus, first cell and second cell. So this one is the radius for cation. This is the shortest distance as the atom, means R atom. For any atom, R atom is larger than R cation. R cation means for any element, atomic radii is greater than cationic radii. Now for anionic radii, chlorine is the 17, that is 287. How will you form the anion? By gaining one electron in outermost cell. So this form 288. So this is the nucleus, first cell, second cell and third cell. So this one is the R atom. R atom is the atomic radii. And for anions, nucleus, first cell, second cell and third cell. Here some increment in anionic radii due to repulsion of electron. Like charges, these electrons repel. So the size of atom is greater than original atom, parent atom. Means here R atom is less than R anion. This is all type of radii: covalent radii, van der Waals radii, metallic radii, ionic radii. And ionic radii, there are two type of radii: cationic and anionic radii. This is all about today. Thank you for attending the class.